leeks, to snip or not to snip. It's nearing the end of October now. I've got a lovely bed of leeks here, albeit they have a bit of leek rust, but that's okay, we can live with that. But in this video I'm going to answer the question to snip or not to snip when actually planting the leeks. So when it comes to planting leeks, they're a bit of a funny one. They do differ to other vegetables, so if you plant them all in one little tub, and the idea with other vegetables is to pull them out with the least root disturbance as possible, with a nice clump of soil around the root so you're not disturbing it whatsoever. But with leeks you want to get rid of all that soil, so you're left with literally just the root. Now when it comes to planting, you dip holes in the soil, dangle your little root system in the hole, fill it up with water so it all caves in and supports that root system. But that's not it. So when you read up on planting leeks, you know, in textbooks, websites or forums, everyone will have different opinions of whether you actually snip them or not. So some people will say yes, take about a third off, just snip the tops, so that way it stimulates root growth. Obviously the idea goes that you get nice healthy root systems, the more tolerant to diseases, and you'll end up with a bigger and better leek. But I've done a test here, so I've divided my bed into two sections. So I've got the first section where I've snipped, the second section I haven't. I've done everything else exactly the same compost, same amount of water and same feeding, and I'll tell you the results. So I'm stood behind the camera now, I've got my stick here, so you can see you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it's 4 deep. So 1, 2, 3, so this section here was snipped. Then 1, 2, 3, they weren't. Ideally, I would have liked to have done this video about a month ago when they were in a bit better condition, but we've just had a baby. It'll be coming up 5 weeks ago now, so I've only just really had a chance to do it now. But as you can see from the leek bed here, there's absolutely no difference whatsoever. Same size, they've all got leek rust, so I don't think that's a factor at all. They've all got it. Same thickness. 1 or 2 have bolted, but again, I think it's one from this section and one from the section that hadn't been snipped. So really, when it comes to snipping or not, I really don't think it matters. Now obviously you guys, some of you watching here might have snipped them all your life, and obviously you might have got good results, so let us know in the comments, do you snip or do you not? Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next one.